So we've got, I moved the VGA cable from the NVIDIA card so that I could show specifically what this other cable does. It connects VGA. So this is just a normal, this is a big, for me, a 25-foot VGA cable. And we'll have it in different places. But this allows me to connect a VGA monitor directly to any of these 8 servers. And this is another USB just extension cable. This is to USB ports. And then this is the serial cable for programming the Cisco. Plug it directly in. So I could plug that into any of these physically, move it over to control, and have the VGA keyboard and the mouse. But we're going to plug it directly into this because I use it as my provisioner for programming the Cisco box. So we'll plug that in. And the other thing we need is, this is all self-contained, there's no internet on it, but I think while we're getting it set up we're going to use internet, so I normally use the top port to say my uplink or upstream. I've got this connected to a Wi-Fi box, a little OpenWRT, so I think that's it for our physical cabling and wiring of the Instant Infrastructure Cloud to Cloud box. So let me go power it on. And you'll hear them all spin up. You see the lights come on one by one. So this one may have not been turned on. We'll give it a quick boost and then see if that first one is on yet. Oh, my workstation's not turned on yet. So give it a quick poke. It's kind of hard to hit with your finger now. There we go. This will look more interesting when we have all of the KVMs up and monitoring it. For now it's just a bunch of blinky lights, big fans, and some noises. But we can see the link light come up on the Ethernet ports, the gigabit Ethernet ports. And also probably look up here, and so the switch is not up yet, it's still booting. But the link lights between the loopbacks are up. You can see that they're already connected to each other. So there's the Cisco just went stable. The system light's solid. I can hear all of the BIOSes hitting their post codes. And there's the Cisco just went live there. And we're waiting for link on our Ethernet. So there's the switch initializing. You can see all the little orange lights. And we're going to wait for those. This is a layer 2 switch for the most part. It does have some IP stuff, but we're just using it for layer 2 and segregating the front network from the provisioning network and the IPMI network. So the switch is still coming up. It's an older switch. Still don't see any links on that yet. There we go. So now they're all up. Top and bottom ports all good. And they're all gigabit connections. There you go. So now we're up, the fans are quiet, and the systems are all booted.